It's the Beers Watch podcast, brewery review, but it's not necessarily a brewery. It's a tap house. We are in Orlando, Florida. We're in Disney World, Hollywood Studios at Baseline. Jerrianna, Jacob, Drew, Eddie, or Big E. New spot. When did it open?
This year.
Yeah, this year. So halfway through the year, in the year of 2018 is when it opened. We normally do brewery reviews. It's a tap house. We figured why not check it out and give us a little review. 5-point scale. Jerrianna, your initial thoughts?
Initial thoughts looking at the menu. It is a California type theme inside, so most of the beer, wine, and drinks are all California based. From California. A lot of your big breweries, Golden Road, Stone, Sierra Nevada is what's on tap. Not a huge selection of types of beer.
It's only like 9 beers on tap, right? They got one cider, a couple wines, a couple of mixed drinks. For us, to me, I said, being in Charlotte, we get a lot of these beers, so it wasn't anything variety-wise, but I went with the Stone. You can't go wrong with that.
The beer's good.
Not a lot of seating. There's no bathrooms inside, but it's Disney World. You can find those. Other than that, I mean, it's a good spot to rest and drink a beer in the air conditioning, so, or sit outside on the patio.
Not too bad, but yeah, they only have one cider, which is a pretty good cider. It's more beery than most ciders I've had. Blood orange, pretty good. The atmosphere is pretty chill, pretty relaxed. Bartender's pretty cool.
Kid friendly. You can pull your stroller in there. So that's different in Disney. You're not allowed to pull your stroller in a lot of places, so that's helpful.
You got a pretty good hub spot. There's a lot of amusements going on. There's food nearby, rides. So you're kind of the center of a lot of action.
They have pretzels in there.
There is a snack as well.
I had the flight. I'll tell you right now, I did the IPA flight with I think a Pilsner. I did a Chico Stone Brewery, a Sierra Nevada. The whole deal was, I thought it was great.
Yeah.
Great respite place, and a great place where you can go to. Take about 30, 45 minutes, relax.
Get you a deuce beer, $9.50 for a 22-ounce beer, $8.75 or $9.75 for a 22-ounce beer, $8.50 for a 16-ounce beer.
$10.
You might as well go up to the deuce and just spend an extra $1.25. It's vacation, so yeah. All right, so let's get to the scoring. Ladies first.
Just because of the variety and there's no bathrooms inside, I'm gonna go 3.3.
3.3 is a respectable score. I think I'm gonna go ahead and guess.
As a residual apple juice drinker, I give it a 3.5 for the lack of options in cider. I think it's a good atmosphere, good crowd. So yeah.
Out of 5 stars.
I'll give it like a 4.75.
You really like the flight?
4.75 because
you really enjoy the flight.
Yeah.
No, they're 22 ounce.
Yeah.
For $10, you can beat that. Hey, Mike, the bartender, great guy.
Yeah.
We're asking again. It's kid friendly. We're able to bring our grandson in. No deal. Hey, it's all good.
I asked a dumb question. He acted like it was normal.
I love the atmosphere. Again, the restrooms, of course, they're everywhere. Again, great.
4.75 is a banana score. That's way out of there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with a solid 2.92. Or no, 3. Yeah, 2.92 to me, maybe 3. I'll stick with the 2.92. It's okay. Again, I've had a lot of the beers in there. It's all right.
Yeah, I wouldn't like have to come back.
Yeah, exactly. I wouldn't have to.
It was a nice stop in the hot day.
All right.
A little biased, but hey.
We review it. That's it. The Beers Watch.
Signing off.